So today I have another ASMR unboxing for you guys to check it out, yo. So this is just unboxing some of the stuff that my mom orders for the vitamins and other stuff. Anyway, this video is not sponsored by any of this company, so yeah, let's go ahead and then do this unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and please comment below if you guys do. Go and then open this big one right here. So this one just a gym ball. It's a 55 centimeter gym ball, body balance, stretch exercise, plate, yoga. And it says purple color. Oh, it comes with a pump. So the blue one is to suck in the air, and then the red one is to inflate the ball. So this is the purple one. So yeah, it's kind of like a metallic finish. So yeah, I'm not going to pump it up since we got so many balls already. Sometimes we use this yoga ball to scent. And let's go ahead and check out this one right here. So these are some of the products that my mom orders over here. Got this vitamin C with 1,000 milligram. This is the COQ10 with 100 milligram. And lutein, 20 milligram. And this is alcohol pads, 100, medium size. And 2 pieces, you need to break them. Yeah, you gotta wipe this on your wound or clean your glasses or smartphone to get rid of germs. And 70% isopropylene, 70% alcohol. And it is sealed. Yeah, all of them are sealed for your protection. And this one has a seal around the cap. Yeah, be sure to remove the cotton. This is to keep it dry from moisture. Wow, those are big ones. Sometimes you want to cut it in half so easy to swallow. Wow. The color almost look like the lutein. Anyway, I'm not going to open this because it's gonna dissolve if I don't use it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments or below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.